Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today we're going to be doing an Ex Wants You Back rampage. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in either my Manifest Your SP course or my Perfect Self-Concept course. You can access that on ritakaminski.com. Additionally, you can book one-on-one coaching with me or join collective coaching. All of the information is provided on ritakaminski.com. And with that, let's get into it. Your ex cannot stop thinking about you. They are adamant on getting you back. They are on their way to apologize. They deeply regret everything that has happened between you two, and they are willing to be the highest versions of themselves for you. They are willing to do anything and everything to get you back. They want to beg. In fact, they are getting urged to beg for you to be back in their arms. They miss how you feel. They miss falling asleep and waking up with you. They miss the conversations that y'all used to have. Anytime they talk to anyone else, they get angry because they're not you. They miss all of the amazing times that you two have had together, and they want those times back for the rest of their lives. They cannot do anything without thinking about you. It is debilitating. It is very distracting. They are being pulled back to you like a magnet. They cannot breathe or live 1 second moment without going into your house and apologizing, without calling you and apologizing, without texting you, being in your presence, looking at your face, having you unblocked. They just want you. They just want you to be in their lives. They have deeply understood the error in their ways, and they will never do anything to jeopardize your relationship and have your feelings hurt ever again. They are doing anything and everything in their power to do in order to get you back, because they realize now that you are their soulmate. They realize now that the love that you guys have is unconditional. You can't copy it, you can't replicate or dupe it. You are a one-of-one original. They feel almost stuck because they know that they will never be able to find a love like yours or any love again. And they are panicking because they want to do everything to get you back. And the thought of you shutting them down or rejecting them makes them feel so shit. It makes them feel pure sheer anxiety and panic just thinking about the possibility and potentiality of you shutting them down. They don't give a shit about anyone or anything else but you, and that is evident based on their behavior. They have completely turned into the highest, best version of them. That version that was in your mind, the potential that you saw in them, they are now permanently living up to. Congratulations, I'm so happy for you. They cannot involve themselves with anyone else. Anyone else makes them sick, and they will do anything in order to get you back. They are plotting and scheming for a way to come to your house with flowers, with chocolates, with everything that you love in a little basket, and they're thinking of a way to express their deep regret, and they're thinking of a way to construct an apology so you really understand and can forgive them, because they can't even think of a possibility where you shut them down, and they will never let that happen. So they are sitting there right now as we speak, constructing the words to say in order for you to give them another chance, because they are scared of their mental health if you say no. They are scared of what they will do if you say no and you reject them. Because just the pure sheer pain of the fact that they were the ones who pained you and led this relationship astray makes them feel horrible, and they know that it is 100% their fault. So even just thinking that you will say rightfully no to them, I mean, to say it's stressing them out is an understatement. Their entire mental health will plummet, and they know that, so they don't want to F this up. They will do anything to make sure that you are good, to make sure that you are feeling comfortable, safe, happy, enlightened, just living your best life. And they want to provide that for you. They want to make up for their behavior and then some for the rest of their lives. So I can feel their energy right now, and they're like, please take me back. I will do anything. So just think about it. And with that, I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. I hope that you have an amazing day. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.